cake.
Shoot him, shoot him.
Cake good. He
Yeah, he shoot not in Garricky one.
don't get it. Kingy one.
Yeah.
Going in for 3 group. I don't know what group.
You want to fish for fish that's not here.
What's that? Just put it.
Dirk, wat sê jy? You're a porn star. Reggie trained you.
Yeah, I'm tired, bro. I'm tired now. I'm so itchy. And you know.
Where is itching?
Some hours are worrying me here with nothing.
What are you hungry?
Well, and we hungry.
Angry, angry.
Angry. Okay, make a fire here and let's cook a shad. See?
Bring the chili powder and come.
Bring what we did in the old days. Hey, Tauti, Johnny Rocks, 5 o'clock in the morning, the fire was burning.
They didn't phone the fire department.
First shad.
They didn't phone the fire department, Dirk.
You said that swimming pool.
Because why are you looking?